My passion for cooking began at a very young age. I grew up in Fairbanks, Alaska, and my mom was a phenomenal cook. And we grew up farm to table, very healthy, and really understanding where my food came from. Growing up, my mom cooked very well. The thing that I remember the most is her breads. She made a phenomenal challah, which is an egg bread, and I've carried that recipe with me throughout my life. My name is Sabrina Tinsley. I'm the chef and co-owner of Osteria La Spiga on Capitol Hill in Seattle, Washington. What made me realize that I enjoyed cooking so much was that I figured out at some point that I could manipulate the flavors of my mom's recipes and tailor them to my personal taste. And I think after that I was hooked and I just started experimenting on my own. What keeps me going the most is, I think, my desire to really make people happy, to provide an experience for our guests and really, get the whole staff on board with making this all happen. So I think I'm inspired by my staff, by our guests, and obviously by food, just because I love to eat so much and I love to share that experience with others. I went to Tours, France to finish my credits. So I was there for 3 months and studied French and ate some of the most delicious French food I've ever had. In France, I think my favorite foods, obviously the baguette. I didn't have a whole lot of money there back then, but always a baguette. These sandwich stands all over the city, they would make a chicken sandwich that was so good. I think it was probably influenced by North African flavors, but that was really good. I think the chefs that I look up to most are the home cooks. So starting with my mom, but then when I moved to Italy, my mother-in-law, Ida, taught me a lot, and she was very generous with her recipes. She shared everything with me. So all the nanas and aunties were very helpful in helping me to understand how to cook Italian food. There's also a very famous chef called Massimo Bottura who cooks from the same region that we do and really elevates the cuisine. And he was very inspiring to me a little bit later on in my career. So La Spiga, we started back in 1998. We opened a small space on Broadway in Union, and we actually designed, my brother-in-law designed the space. We had it built out in Italy and shipped over on a container and then fitted into the space on Broadway in Union. My signature dish is our lasagna, which we make very classically with green lasagna noodles, ragu, bechamel, and Parmesan. We just layer that 6 times over and over again. It's very light and delicious. People love it. And another one of our signature dishes is our tagliatelle al tartufo, which is our tagliatelle noodles with truffle butter. And those are the 2 dishes that our customers consider our signature dishes. When I create a new dish, I really get inspiration from a lot of different things. It could be, some ingredients that we need to use in the restaurant. It could be an idea. It could be something that I tasted somewhere else. So it starts with the idea, and then I will typically do a trial in the kitchen, and if I don't get it on the first time, I definitely get it on the second time and pretty much nail it exactly how I imagined it. As an Italian, my husband has a very big impact on what dishes actually make the cut, and so I will definitely have him try everything that I make, and if it's a thumbs up, it makes the cut. If it's a thumbs down, either I go back to the drawing board or we just botch it. My favorite thing about what I do is how many people I can touch with this business, or with mentorship, including mentorship, our guests, my staff. So I'm in a unique position to really have an impact on positive outcomes of people's lives. The Future of Diversity program I started back in 2021. It is a guest chef program featuring emerging chefs of color for pop-up events at La Spiga. And I started it after realizing how I could use my platform to really help the next generation of cooks who really have, so much heart and soul invested in their business. And I thought that this would be a good way to help showcase their concepts. La Dispensa is our online marketplace for all things La Spiga at home. So you can buy your pasta kits and sauces and take those home and cook them up. We sell lasagna trays, cured meats and cheeses, breads. So you can create your own Italian experience at home. The advice, I think the biggest advice that I would give to aspiring chefs is to gain as much experience as possible, to find a mentor, because there's so many mistakes that you can avoid if you just have somebody to help guide your path. And also, don't jump into owning a restaurant too soon. That's a really, really big step, and it takes a lot of different skills, not just cooking. So you also have to have the business side of things. You have to know the business side of things really well also. I definitely want to grow La Dispensa as a business. I think that that's the future of this industry. And I'm also interested in exploring tours in Italy with all the connections that we have over in Italy, friends and family. I think we can create a really nice experience through tours. If you haven't been to La Spiga, please stop in. We're on Capitol Hill on 12th Avenue between Pike and Union. We'd love to host you at the restaurant. Or check us out online at ladispensaseattle.com and try some of our delicious foods at home. But